Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the extended single crochet. It's very similar to the single crochet. It's slightly taller, but it still gives you a nice solid fabric, and I love the texture that it creates, especially when you work it in rows. It's very pretty. So to get started in the row, we're just going to chain one, and we're going to insert our hook into the first stitch here. We're gonna go under the top two loops. I'm gonna wrap the yarn over and pull through. We got two loops on the hook, and then we're gonna wrap the yarn over and we're gonna go under one loop. We still have two loops left, and we're gonna wrap the yarn over and we're gonna pull through both loops, and that is your first extended single crochet. So then we're gonna go into the next stitch under both loops, wrap the yarn over, pull through, two loops on the hook, wrap the yarn over and pull through one loop, wrap the yarn over and pull through both loops.